saw you, I said to myself, I'm gonna meet them. And guess what? I was right.
You will join the First Order if you weren't aware. Surprise.
Hello travelers, we are back at it with my first time at a Disney park. This is part 2 of our 48 hours where we try to speedrun as many rides as possible. If you saw part 1, we were able to get 8 rides in, but we're going to try to optimize this time and get at least 10 in. We catch a few more shows in this video and I'm going to show you some more of the food options on site. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are working towards 1,000 subscribers and each like helps get the video out to other people who are wondering like you, is this trip right for them? Since it's day 2, we're going to start off at California Adventures and first get a cup of coffee.
What is today's theme?
We are going to California Adventures, so that's where the Avengers land is, which Manly loves Avengers, so he has a Spider-Man shirt on. I couldn't find any outfits girly enough that were Marvel Avenger themed, but maybe I'll find something today.
Following up from tip 1 in the part 1 video, we actually arrived on time today and sacrificed that extra sleep. The lines were definitely a bit shorter, but this is also a Tuesday versus yesterday, which was a Monday. At this point though, I had no time to waste. It was straight to Avengers Campus. This was how Ashley convinced me to go on this trip.
I'm trying to get your face.
Oh, sorry. This is what I'm here for.
Thank you.
Spider on your shirt.
Working. Our entire complex.
This is what we're here for.
This is how I convinced you to come
Day
to
2 is
Disneyland.
all me. Day 2 is all for me. One thing that I really love is that they make the waiting areas part of the experience. So when you get in line and it's longer, you feel like you're less in a line and more still on the ride. We just finished the Guardians of the Galaxy.
It was awesome.
It was so fun. It's pretty quick. There were these kids, they're probably like in 5th grade maybe. While we were in line, they were like, does everybody want to do the Home Alone face whenever we get to the top? And so we said, all right, we'll all do it. Everybody was just excited for them. And so yeah, we got our picture too. It was really good. It was really fun.
I don't want to ruin it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's really fun.
You'll just have to go check it out.
Next up, Web Slingers. Web Slingers. This is what the line's gonna be like later today. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Are you excited?
Absolutely.
Spider-Man has been one of my favorites since the 90s. I was super excited about this ride. You get these 3D goggles and it actually tracks where your hands are going and you shoot like these escaped spiders. It was super cool. I felt like I was actually Spider-Man.
Ashley somehow got more points than me. I don't know how. I demand a rematch. Somehow Ashley got a higher score than me. So ride stopped working at one point, so we're gonna be going back for a rematch. So it's VR, you got the goggles on. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So the beginning of the day, what ride is this?
This is Radiator Springs Racers. It's a Cars ride.
Yeah, it's a Cars ride.
Yeah, the lightning lane's totally empty. It's like $15 a person. So we did it. The regular wait is already like 80 minutes long, so we walked right up to the front with the lightning lane and got in line. So we'll see how long it actually takes to get through here. Okay, yeah, we walked up. We're literally like right at the front, so it was probably gonna be 80 to 90 minutes on the regular line and maybe 5 minutes with the lightning lane. $15 a person. Totally worth it if you got a couple of people in the morning. Highly recommend it. After that, we decided we should grub up now while the lines for food were short so we could go on longer for our second stint of ride hopping. We went to the Pim's Test Kitchen. Super cool. I love the vibe.
They had the chef come out and talk to Manly about his allergies, and she personally brought his plate out to make sure it was the right one. So far we've had a really great experience with finding him food he can eat that's not going to make him sick, and we're really excited that he actually got to have a meal on Avengers Campus.
As you can see, I thought the food was just okay. We saw some people lining up to see Iron Man, so we hopped in line too. You can actually check the character placements on the app too, so you can be better prepared.
I think it's picture time.
Take your time to get your photo ops with your favorite characters.
Hey, go meet Spiderman.
I like all four. Peter. I got this one. They got you the class. Right, exactly. Yeah, that'd be good. We try to imitate that. All right. Let's do it. Next up, the Incredicoaster. The Incredibles. We used our lightning lane. Or we used our Genie Plus. So Ashley turned around real quick to correct me. We used Genie Plus on this one just to hop. It was like a 15-20 minute wait, but we wanted to get in quick. All right. From getting in line at 9:35, it's been 9 minutes and we're off. Super fun. Yeah, we're gonna go again. That was super fun. So worth it. I think I was singing the music the whole time through. And Ashley was screaming.
It's 9:55. We are about to go on the Little Mermaid. It's just a slow, calm, dark ride, but I love Little Mermaid, so we're gonna do it.
This one is a good one to split in between some of the longer wait lines. It's slow, it's relaxing, it had a pretty short wait time to get on it, which also makes it a good one to hop on if you're struggling to decide which one you're trying to do next. So at this point, it's about 10 o'clock in the morning and we've already hit 5 rides.
It's 10:11 and we're going on Goofy Sky School. Is that what you wanted me to say?
Yes.
you just said it's 10:11 and started
It's
building
10:11,
me.
yeah.
And I was like,
We're going. We finished the Goofy ride. It's now 10:18. It was a little sketchy. No, it wasn't sketchy. It wasn't sketchy.
Andy was scared. That's the baby.
I'm not scared. I wasn't scared. It was just like over the edge. You're just looking. But yeah.
Supposed to look like that.
So we're at 10:18 now. We don't know what we're gonna do next. We'll check on the map and we'll see. We'll figure it out. All right. We were too speedy at first, but now here we are getting our lightning lane entrance. 11:17. We got stuck. There's a delay, a really minor delay. So it ended up being like what, 30 minutes between the line and being on the ride. Ride was like 5 minutes long. So now we're heading to.
Did you like the ride?
It was fun. I was a little bit sketched out at first because I
You
wasn't.
were nervous.
I wasn't sure how high I was gonna get. So
He's afraid of heights.
I don't like heights. I don't like uncontrolled heights. When I saw that they were very controlled, I was good to go. Now we're about to head to Monsters Inc., right?
No, we're not going to do Monsters.
We're not doing Monsters Inc. I lied. We were trying to.
Now the next Genie Plus is until 11:40.
Okay, yeah, we don't want to wait that long.
No, now Toy Story we can't get till 1:45.
Okay, it's all good. Just adjust and adapt.
If we can make it fast enough to Avengers Campus, we can go to the next Spider-Man show. But I think it starts in like 2 minutes.
Okay. There's music going on though in the background.
And for a second.
Yeah, we're gonna watch this band while we figure out what to do.
My golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
So Ashley finally got to meet Minnie. It took a second.
I haven't seen her in so long.
We just saw him walking by and then we got in line. We were the second people in line, got to take it and then scan our photos.
So cute. She gave me a big hug.
Now we're heading over to
Monsters Inc.
Monsters Inc. to use our
Genie Plus.
Yes, right now it is 11:38. So we'll see how long the line takes. And we'll keep y'all updated. 11:45. Time to get on Monsters Inc.
A few more seconds. I love how they call you friend here instead of like sir or ma'am.
Yeah.
One, because it just sounds nice like Disney magic. And two, it's just very inclusive instead of assuming, oh, you're a sir or a ma'am.
Yes.
Call you friend.
Exactly. That's what we all are, is just friends here.
We are at, what are we now? 11:57. So we were in and out of that ride, what, in like 4 minutes-ish? So it was good. We got on probably about 4 minutes after getting in line. So the Genie Plus was definitely worth it. I think it was a 45-minute wait, so We're about to get some food, possibly, and drinks, and then we're seeing when the next available thing for the rides that we're trying to get on Genie Plus is going to be ready, because it's not like guaranteed. It's not like, oh, you can just pick it up and you can use it, right? There are windows that you have to get it. So we're checking out this Wakanda, the flavors of Wakanda. Let's see if I can have the chicken, but I'm definitely going to get this drink called the Dawa. It's an alcoholic beverage, so we'll check it out. Okay, you can go ahead and start. What does it taste like?
It tastes like a fancy pink lemonade, kind of.
With alcohol.
Yeah, with like vodka in it. It's really good.
I can taste a little bit of like the tea too on top of it. It's good. I would say get it. Let me try this too. We want to have, let's see if this is a proper jollof. It's not bad. You know, nothing's gonna beat my mom's jollof, but it's good. That chicken's good. The jollof, you need to bring some Ghanaians in here to help you. But it's good. It's good.
Mainly, this is Wakandan jollof.
This is Wakandan
It's a different
jollof.
flavor profile.
Oh yeah, there we go. All right, we're out here at the 1220 Spider-Man show. It's animatronic or something. I don't even know. I'm just along for the ride. We walked over here. We're actually sitting like on the rail because there aren't any really seats over here, but I'm gonna check this out. You know, I love me some Spider-Man. Represent. Oh, you're good. It's time for the park hop. We ended up staying over here by Avengers Campus a lot longer than we originally planned. We originally just planned to come get a drink at, what is it, the Pim's Kitchen?
Tim's Taste Lab, Tasting Lab,
Yeah,
Testing
yeah,
Lab.
yeah.
It was so fun. Are you gonna take your little cup?
Yeah, I'm taking my little cup. So good. Oh my gosh. Yo, try it. Oh my, let me record you right now. Right? I was like, that's dangerous.
It's spicy, it's sweet.
That was skill. And they started having all of these. They started having all these shows. So first they had Hawkeye.
Like from the Disney Plus show. So they had the new Hawkeye, the
Yeah.
college student.
Yeah, she'll be in the Young Avengers.
Yeah.
Kate.
Kate,
And
that's
then.
her name. And the Dora Milaje came out.
Okay. So yeah, we
saw
watched
Shuri, Black
Yeah,
Panther. up
exactly.
there. Carol Danvers is up there now.
Carol Danvers. It's now what, 1:15, so we're gonna park hop and then we might come back and do some other things. So you've seen like those. We did a lot of stuff in the first 4 or 5 hours doing our speed run attempt. So now we're gonna head back over and do the things that we didn't get to yesterday, and then do the things that we want to do again. We're looking at the lines, and so being able to use the Genie Plus over there, we should be able to get in some things a little bit sooner. They keep getting pushed back over here, so we don't want to spend too much time and keep waiting over here. So yeah, we're gonna head over there and come on with us. Yeah, I spent 30 minutes shopping. You know your boy had to get fly with the new Marvel gear. My new Spider-Man shirt is ballin'. We're at 210. We just entered using our Genie Plus. It was supposed to be a 35, I think, 35 minutes without. So let's see how long it takes to get up there. If you have Genie Plus on this, I would say just go ahead and use it. Don't try to save it. I didn't necessarily feel like we had to go on this a second time. Don't get me wrong, it was a fun ride, but once is enough. And at this point, we are at 9 rides total.
Move aside, travelers. We have eyes on you. Clear the way. Clear the way.
So right now it is 2:40. We got the tip from the people working at the Cantina at Oga. They said, hey, just go on there and like keep trying to book a table on the app every few minutes. And so we went to go get a blue milk. I ordered it. It was 8.61 credits.
Try the blue milk like Luke Skywalker. It's really good. It's like a coconutty slushy type thing.
And at the same time, Ashley booked a Genie Plus thing for the Millennium
Smuggler's
Falcon.
Run.
Yeah, the Smuggler's Run. And while we were in line getting the blue milk, I was able to get a table for us at the Cantina. Got it.
You got it? What does it say?
30 minutes estimated wait. Going to hold on to the Smuggler's Run Genie Plus thing because it's good for an hour. The estimated wait's like 30 minutes, I think is what it said. Make sure that you put your phone number in there so that they can actually text you. Because if you don't have good service, the push notification in your app's not going to show up. So we're going to try our luck at getting into the Cantina and like have a drink in that amazing atmosphere. Keep your fingers crossed. We'll see.
And they said when you get the text, you only have 10 minutes to get there. So do not be late. Keep an eye on your phone. It's very hard to get in there, so pay attention.
Yep. All right, if you're looking for the Star Wars vibe, this is definitely where you need to be. Right when you walk in, it totally just hits you. We felt like we were in the Cantina. The menus are digital, so make sure you have charge on your phone. They probably have some paper ones, but why would you add an extra step for yourself? The drinks are absolutely delicious. We loved everything that we tried, everything that we got. And since the wait was so long, we decided we didn't want to take up too much space for too long. So we had our drink, we chatted a little bit, and then we took in the vibe before we headed back out to get some more rides.
Time is 3:35. Just used another Genie Plus. Redeemed another Genie Plus pass to go on Smuggler's Run. So we're getting on the Millennium Falcon, and then we're going to try to find some food or a snack, and then we'll go on another ride. All right, this time Ashley's going to try to be a pilot.
No, I mean, I probably won't be.
We're gonna,
It probably won't be.
No, we're gonna try to be pilots this time. We were gunners last time, now we're gonna try and be pilots this time.
Yo, I just apparently had some really good luck because we were perfectly lined up to get selected as both of the pilots this time.
Got one.
You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has forgotten me, they will
I'm going down, I'm moving down.
behind the train.
Slide through here. Ashley, get this way. All right, it's 4:27. We've just hit the Small World After All ride using Genie Plus again. So let's see how long it takes to get there. Made it almost 10 hours, a lot longer than yesterday before needing a break, but my feet and my back are starting to hurt, so Ashley's walking me back to the hotel. Gonna take like an hour and a half break, and then we're gonna come back to the park and try a few more rides and just get a little bit more out of this Disney speed run. This is Disney Plus Plus, that's what we're calling it. So yeah, we're heading back and we're gonna take a quick break and then we'll go back to the park. We'll come back to you with some more.
Okay, I lied. I was down for the count. But you can see our total ride counter for the trip was 19 rides. We saw 14 different shows and characters, and we ate at 9 different restaurants and food places. Outside of plane tickets and hotel, we spent a total of $664 between food and Genie Plus tickets.
That's pretty.
And that brings us to the end of this trip. For my first time at Disney, that was pretty fun. Next trip, I'll be solo and showing you what it's like to stay at the Gaylord National Convention Center and to perform at one of the largest gaming festivals in the country. You'll get to see what the spot looks like and also what the performances look like, and you'll get to peep this huge 24-hour arcade. Then after that, we're gonna take you on a 3-part trip to San Pedro, Belize, where we went for our birthdays. We snorkeled, we ate so much fresh fish, and we even took a day trip to the island of Key Cocker. Remember, we take the trip so you can figure out whether or not you want to, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if these videos are helping you out. Bye!